cool little office tool or gag that's for compressing cans. You like to recycle your cans. Some places, not all places have a recycling pickup. Then you're gonna want to store them. If you don't go too often, they're gonna pile up, and so you're gonna run out of space. But if you crush them, then you'll have more space. So these must be the air fittings over here. These are the mufflers, but there's 3 of them. So let's get those in. So this is F right here, and that's gonna go right here. So the 12 is for these, which they call the mufflers. Okay, it feels tight enough. Now this one, so that was the 12, and now the 14. All right, so that is pretty tight. So again, that is called the valve. These are the air fittings, and these are the mufflers. Screws J are going to be these long Phillips screws here. These are nuts K. There we go. Installed valve assembly to the frame. This is going to go like this. Okay, 7 metric is the size for these. All right. Cut the air hose. One side needs to be 7.5. Mark it. And then the other is going to be 12 inches. Long, short. And then the longer one, the 12-inch one, is going to be closer to this. Where the hose attaches should be where this button is. Got the spring washer, and this bolt can tighten it first. And then here's top one. So these get removed, all these blue parts, they get removed. And then these go in here. So these are called the air fittings. All right, we've got a size 17 here. Screw this thing on here. Warning sticker. Warning. Hands pinching. Hands crushing. The shorty in here. 12-inch one goes in. Push this back. Push all the way in. I'm going to increase the air pressure over here on the compressor. And it might turn on, so it might get loud. Oh my God. All right, first one. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh, there's one. One. And that's it. No more. This big box. Now it's just this. Okay, so now it's time to clean up. Always be careful. Be sure you release all the pressure from your compressor before you unhook the compressor from the unit. Do that right now. There we go. And that is it. So that is the can crusher, which I got on Amazon. And it's The Joy of Can Crushing. That could be a title. Can Crushing Therapy. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.